Once upon a time, there was a small business owner named Sarah who wanted to start her own clothing line. Sarah loved fashion and wanted to make clothes that were good quality and made in a good way. But Sarah knew that she needed to choose the right textile manufacturer. She needed a manufacturer that could make high-quality products at a fair price, and that was committed to sustainable and ethical practices. Sarah started by looking for online directories of textile manufacturers. She also went to trade shows and industry events to meet with manufacturers in person. Sarah talked to other businesses in her industry to see who they were working with and what they thought. Sarah eventually narrowed down her list to a few potential manufacturers. She got quotes from each manufacturer and asked for samples of their work. Sarah also visited the manufacturers' facilities to see how they operated and meet their staff. After careful consideration, Sarah chose a textile manufacturer that was located in a neighboring country. The manufacturer had a good reputation for making high-quality products at a fair price. The manufacturer was also committed to sustainable and ethical practices. Sarah was very happy with her decision. She worked closely with the manufacturer to develop her clothing line. The manufacturer was able to make high-quality garments that met Sarah's exact specifications. Sarah was also able to negotiate a good price. Sarah launched her clothing line a few months later, and it was a huge success. Her customers loved the high-quality garments and the fact that they were made in a good way. Sarah was able to grow her business quickly and expand her product line. If you're a business owner who needs to choose a textile manufacturer, here are a few tips. Be clear about your needs. What types of products do you need? What quantities do you need? What are your delivery deadlines? Research your options. There are a number of online directories like textilemarket.com and industry publications that can help you find textile manufacturers. You can also go to trade shows and industry events to meet with manufacturers in person. Get quotes from multiple manufacturers. This will help you to compare prices and get the best deal possible. Ask for samples of the manufacturer's work. This is the best way to assess the quality of the manufacturer's products. Visit the manufacturer's facilities. This will give you a chance to see how they operate and meet their staff. Ask about the manufacturer's quality control procedures. Find out how the manufacturer ensures that its products meet your quality standards. Ask about the manufacturer's customer service. Find out how the manufacturer handles customer complaints and returns. Ask about the manufacturer's ethical practices. Find out whether the manufacturer has a strong ethical code and whether it operates in a transparent and ethical manner. Choosing the right textile manufacturer is an important decision, but it doesn't have to be daunting. By following these tips, you can find a manufacturer that can help you to achieve your business goals. Thanks for watching and spending your time with us.